Good morning from colorful Colorado.
We're here in the Rockies at, I think it's called Paintbrush Indian Campground. I don't know. It's
Indian Painted Lake.
Nope.
Campground.
No, it's Paintbrush. There's somewhere in there that's Paintbrush.
Whatever.
We still don't know where we're at in this campground. We're at Bear Creek Park. I do know that. Hopefully this wind isn't too bad for you guys. It just picked up a little bit, nothing too crazy. We're about 20 minutes west of Denver, just right on the edge of the mountains. We're at about 5,700 feet in elevation.
And today's gonna be another good day.
So today we're gonna head to Red Rocks Amphitheatre. Check that out this morning, since we didn't really get to yesterday.
And then we're gonna head west towards Glenwood Canyon.
So just a quick little note. We got a little scared last night because Glenwood Canyon the past week has been shut down off and on I-70 because of mudslides.
There were remnants of the mudslides. They're trying to fix it.
Yeah, so they had a large forest fire last year on part of that area, and the scar from the burn has left the ground unsettled, and when they get a lot of torrential rain, it causes mudslides. And when you're in the canyon and the I-70 goes right through it, right along the Colorado River, there's only one place for it to go. So they've had some backups with the river because of the debris and the mud that's actually gone out on over I-70. So we got scared because they had it shut down, said they have no time frame on when it'll be opened again. But this morning I checked and it said that westbound traffic is open. Eastbound is still shut down. So praise the good Lord that that 70 westbound is open, so we don't have to make a detour and change our entire plans, because it kind of would have wrecked our entire plan, which would have been fine, but we would have bounced back and figured it out. But now we get to do everything we wanted to.
All right, we'll see you at Red Rock. Bye. Going across that. Some rickety ass jankety ridge.
scoop of your spumoni and a waffle cone, or not a waffle, cake cone. Yeah. That's why I get one scoop.
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
And can I get a scoop of your strawberry on a waffle cone? Ooh, that's very strawberry.
Alright, so what do you think?
Good.
So we are here in Glenwood Springs, Colorado. We're at the Kaleidoscoops ice cream and more. About to try this ice cream. Elizabeth says it's really good. So she got a, what was it, just strawberry? And a waffle cone, and she is just eating it up. Alright, this is the spumoni. It's like chocolate, vanilla, green rum, or something like that. Some nuts and some fruit, I think. That's good, that's different. I'm normally like a strawberry or a cookies and cream or mint chocolate chip or cookie dough. That's my normal, but I want to try something different. This is really good. I'm glad I did. I'm done.
Oh, what is that?
Yeah, yours is really good. Really
Kind of
strawberry.
reminds me of like the
Cosmopolitan, or not Cosmopolitan, but
Neapolitan.
yeah, Neapolitan. That's delicious.
Huh?
What do you think?
Look.
There you go. Alright. Show you at the next stop. Here soon.
Good morning.
Morning.
I have no idea where we're at. Good morning from Colorful. I can't do that. No. That's why you got it. Good morning from